What's up, guys? It's about 7:30 in the morning and we're gonna be doing Palomar Mountain with a few friends, so come with me to do that. Let's go. Alright, we made it to a pit stop. We're in Ramona now. This is the current lineup. Looking good. Get in the video, son. Made it to Palomar Mountain. We made it to the head. We're about to start. I'll put you guys on a POV drive, and yeah, you guys get to see the view out here. It's absolutely just beautiful out here. The drive out here was super nice too through Ramona, but yeah, I'll put you guys on the POV. Let's go. We just, oh my god, it's beautiful though. All right. We are now officially on Palomar Mountain. I don't know where I was going at first. We took a little detour. I went off the road a few times, but you know, that happens sometimes when you're taking adventures like this, so. This road picked up a lot through that. Wow. Gorgeous though. God, dude. That is the second time I've scraped on those things. I don't know why I keep going fast over them. It's super dumb. Oh.
Out here.
All right, guys, we made it out here to Palomar Mountain. This road surprised me so much. It got super crazy. In the beginning, it was super chill. I wasn't really worried about it, and this road honestly humbled me. As you guys see in the POV drive, my traction control light was turning on and off occasionally, so it got a little bit sketchy, but overall, this road is crazy. It is a beautiful road that I cannot recommend it enough. It is beautiful. Like the views you see driving through here, it's amazing. It's truly amazing. And look at this spot that we're at right now. 46 parked up right here. Looking amazing. We got all the cars parked here, but it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spot. And we're at the Palomar Mountain like info center. So we got this nice little view. We got this quote, you know, famous quote here.
Want to read it real quick?
And I'm not going to be reading it, no. But yeah, it's beautiful out here, guys. I cannot recommend Palomar Mountain enough. In this clip, made it to the Observatory on top of Palomar Mountain. This thing is crazy. The telescope. It's crazy. Got a bunch of stuff on the walls too. Bunch of fun facts. All right, guys, it's the next day. But let me know in the comments how you like the POV drive. Like, this was my first kind of like vlog POV drive style video. So if you guys want more, leave them down in the comments. And if you like the video, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.